How to redeem code or how to redeem promo code in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem promo code in Pokemon Go. Now basically redeeming a code in Pokemon Go is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up Pokemon Go. Once you open up Pokemon Go, there you want to make sure you're logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. It's taking a bit while to load up, so you want to wait until it loads up. Once it loads up, what you want to do is there, I'll just show it on the screen. Once it loads up, let this load up first. As you can see here, I'm loaded up. At the bottom you can see three different icons, actually four there, but at the bottom, very bottom, you can see my profile at the bottom left along with my buddy, and at the middle you can see a little pokeball icon. Right, you want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is you want to head into the middle option that says shop. So once you tap on shop, you'll be headed to shop. You want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom until you find the option there. You can see promos, and you can see enter your promo code option there. You want to simply tap on it, and you want to enter in the promo code here, and you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can redeem code in Pokemon Go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.